Hi, I'm MOA, star of.
M.O.?
Yes, hi, I'm MOA, Daredevil Koala, for the Tree TV show. The first question? You're probably wondering what it's like being a famous TV celebrity. If you are, you'll have to ask them because I don't know. Yet. You see, it's not that I have delusions of grandeur. It's just that, well, I'm a daredevil. I love to crash simboards. Give me a fast car and I'm on it. Planes, boats, love 'em all. Watch this. Welcome to my world. Come see what trouble I can get into next at the first question on Tuesday evening at 7.